We provide total manufacturing solutions for our customers.
Means you have a company that have multiple disciplines, multiple core competencies to give a customer a full band of metal forming capabilities.
Acro, we're a one-stop shop.
Our core business has been sheet metal and sheet metal fabrication for years. But we've added to that welding, electromechanical assembly. We've added in over the last 8 years where we do laminated bonded panels. We have full supply chain management. We've got good suppliers that we manage that give us all the commodities that we need, wire harnesses, springs, handles, plastic components, to do full electromechanical assemblies here at Acro and ship you one part, not 100 parts that your line is going to put together. So lean means supply chain management to you.